I'm going to show you how to change your profile photo on Instagram. Whether you're looking for a fresh look or just want to update your picture, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Let's dive right into it. Please remember that any other photo you upload on Instagram cannot be changed. The only way to change a picture that is not your profile picture on Instagram is to delete it and re-upload it. There is no other way. Why change your profile photo on Instagram? Your profile photo is the first thing people see when they visit your Instagram page. It's like your digital identity. Maybe you've had the same profile picture for a while, or you've got a new favorite photo you want to show off. Changing it can refresh your profile and give it a more updated feel. Now, let's walk through the process of changing your profile picture step by step. It's super simple. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your main profile page. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see an option labeled Edit Profile just below your bio and profile picture. Tap on Edit Profile to access the settings where you can change your personal details. At the top of the screen, you'll see your current profile photo along with the words Edit Picture or Avatar. Tap on this option. Instagram will give you 3 choices. Take photo. If you want to snap a new picture on the spot, choose from the library to select a photo from your phone's gallery or camera roll. Remove current photo. This will remove your profile picture and leave it blank. If you choose Take Photo, the Instagram camera will open. Take your new picture by tapping the shutter button, and then tap next to use it as your profile photo. If you choose Choose from Library, Instagram will access your phone's gallery. Scroll through and select the photo you want to use. You'll be able to adjust the size and position of the picture. Once you've selected or taken your photo, Instagram will give you the option to zoom in or move the photo around to fit it perfectly within the circular frame. After adjusting, tap Done or Save in the top right corner, and your new profile photo will be updated instantly. Now that you know how to change your profile photo, here are a few tips for choosing the best one. Make sure your photo is high quality and focused on your face. Avoid blurry or overly dark pictures. Depending on the purpose of your Instagram account, you may want to choose a professional headshot or something more casual and fun. Natural light works wonders for profile photos. Try to use a picture that's well lit to make your face stand out. If people know you for a specific look, try to keep your profile photo consistent so that friends and followers can easily recognize you. How often should you change your profile photo? You might be wondering, how often should I change my profile picture? While there's no hard and fast rule, consider these tips. Keeping your profile picture consistent makes it easier for your followers to recognize you. You don't need to change it often unless there's a significant reason, like a rebranding or a major life event. Some people like to update their profile picture for seasonal changes, like using a festive picture for the holidays, or for specific events. Ultimately, it's up to you. Some users love frequently updating their pictures to reflect their current style or mood. And that's it. Changing your profile photo on Instagram is super easy and takes only a few minutes. Whether you're looking for a new look, a fresh start, or just want to change things up, now you know how to do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.